I bought two of the cheapest folding phones I could find on AliExpress, and in this video, we'll test them out and see what kind of crazy features they have built into them. Now, in case you've never seen one, this is what a normal folding phone should look like, and yes, they are extremely expensive. So how are we gonna get a premium experience like that in phones that cost less than $20 each? Let's find out. Okay guys, we're gonna start with the MTK. Now this one, guys, I called it a folding phone, but it's really more of a swivel phone. I've never seen something like this. Let's just open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, it's like hefty too. Rotary phone. Let's take this little peely thing off. Oh yeah, now that's a premium screen right there. Oh, 11. Let's see, on this side we have a micro USB port. 2025 micro USB, okay. What are these? Are these like our call and end buttons? What? What is this surrounding it? Like a little piece of foam? Oh, that's like not coming off the phone. I think that wants to be there. And in the back we have our two cameras. Why? And then a battery symbol, a text message symbol, and a call symbol, it looks like. What is going on with this phone? All right, let's do it. Let's see if it swivels. Oh my God. Why? Why would you want this? But also, I kind of want it in every phone. Ooh, uh-oh, I might have wobbled it a little too much. We already got some separation going on. It's got a really interesting texture to it. Wait, on the back you can see there's our dual torches. Okay, even plugged in, it refuses to turn on. That's a little scary. Did I break it already? I'm gonna be so sad if it's already broken. Oh, no! What happened? I am so sad. Wait, it's turning on though. I think I'll tape it in place. That way we don't have to worry about it breaking. Okay, as you can see, I have my bandages applied, so hopefully it won't fall apart on us now. That looks pretty good, right? And there it is, it's working. Okay, first of all, what on earth is this UI and what are these controls? They're just random directions next to this OK button. I can barely even push them down. They're like right up against the bottom of the phone, so it's hard to even like get an angle to push your finger into the arrows. And I was curious about this, but it does not appear to be a touchscreen, so like, I don't know. Maybe it is a touchscreen and I just broke it. That's also entirely possible. Actually, holy crap. The first thing I noticed, how did I not notice this before? They have iOS apps on here. It's nothing but iOS apps. Excuse me? Look at this Safari symbol, and then look at that one. Let's see, you got the messages, there's the messages there. The contacts is, I guess, a little different, but they're pretty much the same. Phone looks identical. Camera looks very similar. It's all the same apps, exactly the same. Tim Apple's lawyers are gonna be coming straight after MTK, I swear. They're flying too close to the sun here. All right, let's start off with the calculator and just see how that works. What am I supposed to do with this? There's like a D-pad, but the touchscreen doesn't do anything. Okay, then you hit the up or down or left or right buttons to do the directions. That's such a weird design, but I guess you do 5, up, 5, and then you hit OK for equals. I guess we can look through our settings. What do we got in here? Profiles? General silent meeting outdoor. What on earth is that changing? I don't even want to know. Preferred input method ABC. What does this do? Okay, I guess it defaults your like, what do you call this style of typing? Put it on screen. It's old flip phone typing, right? Whatever it's called. But I guess you can change like the default characters that'll pop up when you hit the different numbers. Dedicated keys. What does that do? Oh, so I can have little shortcuts for when I wake the phone up. Picture quality. On. Good. What happens if I turn that off? I don't know what that did. I'm turning it back on. I'm scared. Color flashlight. Excuse me? Charging incoming call, so like the flashlights light up or something when various things happen? That's kind of neat. Oh, but it doesn't actually like let you customize the colors or anything. It just says, do you want color? Yes or no. Okay. Wait. King voice? No. Go back. What is that? Explain. What is King voice? Dialing voice, incoming voice, phone book voice, set volume. What does that mean? Anyway, what else do we have here? V recorder, video recorder. Okay. So it's not FaceTime. That's your like camera. Let's give this a shot. Oops, I'm covering the camera up with my tape. Let me fix that. I guess that confirms that the left one over here is our actual camera, unless this is for like zoom. Oh Lord, that's bad. All right, here we go. I'm gonna take some photos. Oh no, I forgot I'm in video mode. We're recording a video. This is a video of the screen I use to record videos. It's so low FPS, it looks like my finger is like merging into another dimension or something. What on earth? Oh, we got video settings. Hold up. Anti-flicker 60 hertz. Dude, that video looked like it was 5 hertz. I don't know what you're talking about, 60 hertz. Wait. We can go to a higher quality. Hold up. Yeah. Do high quality. Can this phone handle high quality? Let's find out. I'm recording a video on my weird revolver phone. What do they call it? Rotary phone, and this is my review, official review. 5 stars. That is not okay. That is some of the worst video quality I've ever seen. All right, well, let's try the normal camera mode. Maybe the still photos are okay? Oh, That was a terrible sound. And yeah, sure enough, it's pretty bad. You cannot make out any detail. That's the worst thing I've ever seen, and it went away. Hold on, maybe there's more options here in the options area. Oh, but 296 by 240 is the max resolution of the camera on this phone. Boy. Wait a minute, is that Safari? I mentioned that earlier, but I didn't really think about it. Internet service? Currently not available. Okay, maybe I just have to connect to Wi-Fi first. Let's give that a try. Well, the only thing I could find for Wi-Fi is connectivity here, but I just hit OK and it says empty, so I don't see a way to even connect this phone to Wi-Fi. WhatsApp? There's no way WhatsApp is like just built into this phone. Currently not available. Okay. How about Facebook? Currently not available. Magic Voice? None, men, women, child. Okay. Oh, there's our torchlight. On. Torchlight on. There it is. What is the practical use case for this? It's not even that bright. It's just very blue. Ooh, we got some games. We got Snake. Oh my. Oh, playing Snake with this is going to be so annoying. Down. Left. Down. Oh, jeez. All right. Yep, that's Snake. What happens if I die? Oh my. Who's this? We got a little crocodile or something right there. What is he doing? Wait a minute, guys. I just had a fever dream. I thought I put an SD card in this phone. That was a different phone I was using way earlier in the day. But there's already an SD card in here. That's kind of nice. Also, it's a dual SIM and SD card. Okay. Anything's possible at AliExpress. And then there's phone memory that we can actually see like the downloads. It has a downloads folder. What are you downloading? It doesn't even connect to the internet. Oh, we got a sound recorder.
Captain's log. I've been stuck with the Hour 11 phone for 16 months now. It's bad.
FM radio. What the heck? Let's give that a try, I guess.
God at 4425 Ben Franklin Boulevard. Still great.
But guys, because this phone actually doesn't even support like 3G, it's a 2G phone, I can't call anybody even if I had a SIM card in here. What do I do? In the meantime, let's go in and open up this guy here. As you can see from the front, this is quite the design. It's also like a dual square kind of thing. Really weird layout for a phone, but I don't know, it kind of looks like the Z Fold or like the Razr or whatever with like the screen on the front here. All right, so we got the phone here. What is this? It comes with like a little strap. Oh, it's like a little lanyard so you can like wear your phone around if you wanted to. Let's see, sliding the phone out of the bag. It is remarkable how similar the shape is to the other phone here. And I guess this is our screen. That definitely looks like a picture just kind of put on there. There's no like, it doesn't like peel off or anything as far as I can tell. It looks like it's trying to make us think that we have 4 cameras here, but I can almost guarantee we have like 1 and just 3 useless holes. I'm looking around the sides of the phone. There's not really much going on. Wait, this has USB-C. Ooh, advanced. We also have a headphone jack, surprisingly. SIM card tray, and there's our hinge for the folding action. Let's go ahead and give that a shot. Kablow, i17 mini. Let's go ahead and take this peely off. Oh, that's so... You gotta be kidding me. Look at this. They make you try to think that the screen is like this size. Oh, that's pretty good. It looks pretty large. And you took the peely off and there it is. Let's go and see if it turns on. There it goes. Servo. Names. Sure, let's check out names. Ah, I see. So this is where your contacts are. Oh my God, the viewing angles on this phone are horrifically bad. What the heck? Why are you making that noise? I'm gonna open it again. That is a gross noise. And then you close it. Why? But then every time you open and close the phone, these 3 lights turn on, but they don't do anything. This is your front display, I guess. But all right, guys, let's start playing around with what this phone can do. And the first thing I notice is that it has the exact same UI and operating system as the swivel phone. So I guess all these phones from AliExpress seem to share the same operating system. Unlock. Bam. Press the star key, okay? No, I did. Stop. Let me in. That's their unlock system? Oh, all right. This one has Magic Voice too with men, women, and child. Oh, we gotta try that out later if possible. And let's see. Okay, I was wrong. It's not exactly the same because all the logos are different and also it's like 1 app at a time. Color flashlight. Okay, this is like the same settings we saw in the last one, but I don't understand what color flashlight is even doing. Where even is the flashlight on this phone? We got Facebook, currently not available. Java. That was not on the last phone. We gotta open that up. Currently not available. Great. Wait, where is like the camera or anything? Okay, up takes me to music. Where does down go? Camera. Okay, there we go. Oh my God, guys. The last camera was bad. This is unusable. Was that the flash? Flashing crazy for a second? That was amazing. Yeah, put the picture on screen. If I didn't tell you that's the monitor that I look at to record videos, would you even believe me? Also, does this not have like a video recording mode? Switch to video record. Okay, there we go. Not enough memory. No! I took one photo! Come on! I guess I gotta throw an SD card in it. It's working. The SD card's working, I guess. Hold on.
I'm recording a video on my pink phone here. It's very pink. It's got 4 cameras, I think, and it has a fake screen.
These truly have the worst. These two phones, they have the worst cameras I've ever seen. Easily. They are so unusable. I opened up services and they have internet service. And it has like WhatsApp and Opera Mini, excuse me. It just says currently not available. Okay. What is the point of having them on the phone if they don't even work? Oh, hold up, I found the torchlight. Use OK or long press web to idle to on or off torchlight. Ooh, boy. Okay, torchlight on. There you go. It's torching. Oh, yo, we got more games on this phone. This phone's better. It's just better. Let's see what we got. We got F1 Race. Oh, yeah. I crashed and I thought my whole life was over. It was vibrating so hard. Holy crap. What other games we got on here? We got Riches. Oh, we're catching Riches. Is that a rock or is that a present? I can't tell. I guess it was a present. Let's pick up the bomb. Oh, I missed it. Devil, get the devil. Oh my God, what just happened? All right, we played Snake on the other phone. Let's skip that one. We got Copter. Oh God, this is like NES graphics Flappy Bird. Oh my God, there's so many more games. Oh, what? Frog Candy. Is that the guy from Cut the Rope? What the heck are you doing here? That's enough. Every one of those games was horrible. BT Dialer. This is Bluetooth? Hold up, I'm gonna try to connect this device to my iPhone. Oh, it's connected. Oh, baby. I'm calling you from my i17 pink flip phone. Is it working? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. It does function, I think.
Hold on, stay what you just said again. I put you on speaker now.
Is that what that massive amount of static was? That was terrifying.
Good. All right, thank you for your help. Anyways, guys, I've had enough of these stupid phones. Let me know if I should keep buying more of them from AliExpress. They're horrible. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.